Hello, my name is Hüseyin Baran Özdemir. This is the introductory video of my term project. Um, I prepared for the SE380 course, where Gazian Alankush is the instructor. My project is called Paw Points. In this project, I aim to create innovative and controllable food points for the street animals. With this project, there will be no more lost and uh, neglected food points, and you can check the food points every second throughout this application and view the status of this food and uh, go to the food point to change and renew the food throughout the application. And my application is started with splash screen, as you can see. And after passing here, it is not displayed to the user again. I used shared preferences to do this. It saves a Boolean type value in the phone's memory. If the user has passed the screen, it is saved as true, otherwise false. Then, when the application is restarted, it checks this value, and if it is true, it's open the login screen directly without showing this screen. And let's moving. Click continue and change the screen, and then login. This is login page, and this is register page. And first of all, you can or user can be login with social media accounts like Google, Facebook, or Twitter, and or user can be register this page and register with email and password, and we can register an email and password. I write password and click register. Then we can see complete profile page. This page helps the user the complete profile. For example, user wants to change your default profile picture. So user should be click this icon for the change the default profile picture. As you can see, for example, I clicked the screen, and user can write the first name and last name and phone number. And click the complete. And then, as you can see, for example, user can be if change my profile picture or profile first name or last name, user can be click profile page. As you can see, this information for the last page as logged in. And first of all, and we have the main page. This is main page is empty yet, and we have PowerPoint screen. Paw Point screen use the location, and wait a minute. This is our Paw Points, and this works our current location. For example, when I click this button, directly go on the current location, and this is our markers. This is our Paw Points. For example, firstly, this is first marker, and according to status of the food, capacity information available here, as you can see. And if this value falls below 50%, it makes the marker red. As you can see, this marker has a 40% capacity, and this marker has 50% of capacity. So this marker's color is green. And when I click the go to location button, and then the phone's native map application opens and marks this location there, as you can see. For example, second marker, as you can see, it works perfectly. And then users can unlock the food bowl and renew the food with the QR code. If the QR code here and the QR code on the bowl food, the food bowl, do not match, it does not unlock. If the user has unlocked this, the icon here will be changed to locked. For example, when I click the QR button and access the photos, and what is our code? FS6P. Wait a minute. FS6P. This is correct code. But first of all, I want to try wrong code. For example, PV. And I click the share code. You can see wrong QR code on the screen. And when I change the true code and scan, here is unlocking, and you can see the icon is changed. And if there is an error, malfunction, or theft related to the bowl food, the user will be able to report this situation to us here. This button is report. When I click the report button, I can report any situation with photograph and multiply. And here the subject, simple subject. And as you can see, when I click the other button and write the other subject, here, other subject, and location is locked because this going to our application. Here the content area, and click the send button, uploading these images on the Firebase, and report sent successfully, and thank you. Let's check the report. This is our database, users here, and user has display name, email, phone number, photo URL, registered type, Google or email, as you can see, and UID, and lastly, the reports. The reports is here. For example, who sends the reports, and the reports uploading or writing to the database like that. For example, this is our reports ID. This user's reports ID. For example, when I copy this and searching, and then this is user Baran Özdemir's reports page, reports value, and this is our reports. Wait a minute. This is last sending the data on the with the report page. Here other subject. Here the our URL, photo URL, and this is location ID, location information, and contact. Okay, and finally, there is the profile page. Users will be able to update their account information by entering the my account page from here, like that, and user can change the profile picture and save. Baran is changed with Ali, and profile pictures with that. And lastly, we have logout button. When I click the logout button, and user application can be logout. And we have lastly forgot password page. User change your password with this screen. And thank you. Thank you for the listening. This is my term project called Paw Points. Thank you.